Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ray. There hasn't been a lot of video on YouTube talking about personal introduction. I'm guessing because it is not scored. Now, in my opinion, it is still very important because if you do well, you can leave a great first impression on the institutions you choose to send your score to. And additionally, it is a great confidence boost, right? In today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about personal introduction, and also I'm going to teach you the quickest way to prepare for this section. If you're interested in how, then keep on watching. So, what is personal introduction? I like to refer to Pearson official website as the source of truth and sometimes read between the lines. So, it reads like this. The personal introduction is an opportunity for you to give your selected institutions some information about yourself. You will have 25 seconds to read the prompt and prepare your response, then 30 seconds to record your response. The item is not scored, but will be sent together with your score report to the institution selected by you. So it will be sent together with your overall score. You are only able to record your answer once. And in your test, you will have an interface that looks like this. Now, at this point, I would like to talk to you about 5 tips. So, tips number 1, PTE Personal Introduction is not scored. So, if you don't do it well, worst case scenario, don't get disheartened because it does not affect your overall PTE score. Tips number 2, microphone position. Now, this is the first time you will be speaking in PTE test, so make sure your microphone position is correct from the get-go. Okay, let me just show you. However, before we go, warning here. So you will be hearing disturbing sound. That's exactly what we want to avoid in your PTE test. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, now I have my headset. I'm actually using it to record this video. So because I'm touching it right now and placing it in different position, it will definitely affect the sound quality for the next 20 seconds. Please bear with me. All right, so I want to talk about what we shouldn't do. So during the test, please refrain from constantly adjusting and touching your microphone like so. You will definitely hear some sound because these are pretty sensitive, right? So every time you make a touch, it will pick up the sound. So do not adjust constantly. And another thing that we shouldn't do is place your mic right in front of your mouth or your nose. I'll show you the wrong way of it and it will become apparent in the sound. See, this is a big no-no because you're putting it right in front of the air passage. So it will pick up the popping sound and some breathing sound as well, right? Now I'm gonna show you the right way of doing it. It's pretty simple. It's all about the distance and the position, right? In terms of distance, we want to keep 2 to 3 centimeters away from your mouth. Position-wise, it's slightly lower than your mouth level towards your chin would be ideal. I guess you can tell the difference in terms of the sound when I place it in different position. Yeah, there you go. This is the ideal microphone position. Tips number 3, be prepared to deal with loud neighbors and noisy environment. Now, in PTE test, the noise factor is sort of out of our control, right? So let's just embrace the noise. Practice your PTE speaking at home with some kind of a background noise. You can check out this video right here. Make sure the volume is turned up reasonably high. Now, at first, it will be quite annoying and distracting, but I assure you, with enough practice, you will learn to blank it out and just focus on the task at hand. Tip number 4, only speak after you hear the beep. Your voice only gets recorded when the microphone opens. So make sure that you only speak when you hear the tone and not before that. Tips number 5, You only get one attempt at this, so you cannot pause or re-record. So why not prepare the 30 seconds personal introduction beforehand? Make sure you write down your personal introduction, time yourself, record yourself, and listen back until you're satisfied with your answer. Now, what I included in PTE personal introduction. So let's have a look. Usually, your name, your age, where you're from, what are you doing for work, what are you studying, what are you hoping to study, why are you taking PTE exam, what are your hobbies and interests. One important thing here that you will see a few prompts in the personal introduction section in your test, but there is no obligation that you have to cover off every single one of those points. You can feel confident to use your template as long as it covers off who you are, why you're taking PTE, what are you hoping to do, to study, a little bit of your personal hobby. Now, let me just show you two samples. One is for students, the other one is for immigration purpose. You can use this template and only change a few things to suit yourself. Okay, so the first one is for students. It reads like this. Hi, my name is Min-jun Kim. I'm 18. I am from Seoul, South Korea, and I'm in my final year of high school. I plan to study computer science in university because it's an area that I have a lot of interest in, and I would like to work in the same industry after my graduation. I am taking PTE because it is the most unbiased and efficient English test, and I trust it will fairly assess my English skills and help me get into my dream school. So for this, you don't really need to change a lot of it other than your name, your age, where you're from, which year of school you are in, what are you hoping to study. So it is a pretty versatile template. So we have another template that's for immigration purpose. So it reads like this. Hi, my name is Wei Shi and I am 25 years old. I am from Beijing, China. I have been working as a financial accountant for the last 5 years with one of the biggest banks in China. I love reading and traveling. I fell in love with Australia the last time I visited. I am planning to apply for Australian permanent residency, and that is why I am taking this English test. So again, here using this template, you only need to change your name, age, where you're from, your occupation, and the country that you're applying for permanent residence to. Alright, that's it for this video. Be sure to check out my other video, background noise for PTE speaking. I hope you get some value out of today's session, and I will see you in my next video.